Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel Stay Happy Forever. This is Sonam and today we are doing skincare or facial cleanup under rupees 15. So are you guys excited? Actually I am quite late for this video but still had to do it, and one thing that all the products which I'm gonna be using are of good quality as I use them in my normal skincare too, so don't worry about that. This video will also tell you that you can do the skincare without spending a lot of money. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, pull all your hair back and we are going to do the face wash. And for the face wash, I am using Himalaya Fresh Gel Face Wash, and this is in the strawberry variant. So you need to wet your face first and then we will take some quantity of face wash and apply gently all over our face, and then we will massage it for 30 seconds. And this face wash has little granules in it. If you haven't tried it, then please go and give it a try. I just love the fragrance and it is very soft and smooth on the skin also. Earlier Himalayas used to have only the variant which was neem, but now they have lemon and strawberry as well, which is pretty good. So after massaging, we will wash it with plain water and then damp our face with a clean towel. After the wash, my skin looks very fresh, and the second step is to do scrub, and for this I am using Himalaya Walnut Scrub. I remember when I first bought the scrub was this only, and I have continued using it because I love the texture of it. So I'm taking out a good quantity of this product. So they give enough quantity which can be used for 3 times at least. So for scrubbing you should at least do scrub 2 times per week, and before scrubbing you should also take steam. I forgot to record it. Steam really makes your pores open and the dirt can come out easily, and it will help you to avoid breakouts also. So scrubbing is very important. It adds glow on your face and removes all the impurities. So we will scrub for around 60 seconds and then we will wash with the normal water. Scrubbing also helps you to avoid acne, whiteheads and blackheads. That's why you should never skip this step in your skincare routine. Then again we will wash our face with normal water and damp it. Next we are going to use the peel off mask. So I am using Everyouth peel off mask. You can also use Himalaya's face pack which comes for rupees 10, but I wanted a little glow on my face, so I chose this one. As you can see, the consistency is little runny, so you have to apply it with little care. So we have to apply even layered, not very thick, not very thin, all over our face. Make sure that you have to keep away from your eyes because it is quite irritating and your eyes might get teary. So I am applying an even layer so that it can come out easily. I have made a separate video on this also. I will put the link in the description and the comment box so that you can check it out from there. I make a lot of videos of skincare and hair care, so if you like my video then please subscribe as well. If you are using this mask for the first time, you might have the assumption that it takes off the facial hair. So it doesn't. Let me clear it. It only cleanses your skin and adds little glow. It also removes your sun tan. So I'm just applying an even layer. Even applying it all over the face, the product was still left in the pouch, so thumbs up for the quantity. So I am all done and I will leave it for around 15 minutes as they have said, but it took me around 25 minutes to completely dry off. So we will take out this mask in the downward position as shown in the video. So just do this technique to take it off. It comes out really easily. So just kind of dragging it, and you have to be little patient. It is not at all painful as compared to charcoal peel off mask, because obviously we are doing it downward position and no hair are getting detached in this process, so it is very easy to take it off. See how effortlessly I am doing it. For anything which is remaining, you can just take it out like the way I am doing, or you can also rinse off with water. Now next we will apply toner, and toner is basically to close your pores and just lock all the skincare which we have applied. And for this I love using ice. You can also use Dabur Gulabri, which comes for only ₹15, but I love using ice because it has lots of benefits, so just give it a try. Then again we will damp our face with clean cloth, and then we will moisturize our face. So I am using here Sphinx BB cream, just giving an option. You can use also the Pond's cream which comes for ₹10, but I just wanted to give you an option. So I'm taking it on the back of my hand, this much is enough, and I'll spread it all over my face. It also has SPF in it, and I am completely surprised by this fact. So I'm just gonna apply, and it is in yellow undertone. I'm just going to blend it with my fingers. I'm not using any beauty blender. It is very smooth and it just glides on the skin so well. And I'm really surprised because for only ₹10 you are getting this amazing product. I think you should definitely try it out, and it has turned out really well. It has added natural glow on my face, which I actually wanted. So this is how my skin is looking after the skincare. So last but not the least, we are going to hydrate our lips, and for this I am using our favorite Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. So after the skincare, my skin looks really plump, hydrated and glowy at the same time. Ta-da! I am all set. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more skincare and hair care videos. Till then, bye bye and take care. I will leave all the important playlists in the description box in case you are interested.